Sam, how do you feel about your mom?
What?
Okay. Hey guys, Nick here. Today we have more Minecraft. Today we are playing Block Hunt. Sam, explain it.
It starts off with one seeker and 23 hiders.
Okay.
The seeker's main goal is to kill all the hiders before the time ends.
Okay.
Crap, why did I... come on, I blew my cover.
I found a beautiful place to hide. Okay. So I'm a crafting table, guys. Today I'm here with. By the way, I'm today here with EvilSamKusuma, a good friend of mine. Check out his channel later. He's trying to make a cool. He's trying to make a cool like animation stuff.
Minecraft animation.
Minecraft animation stuff. Okay. Are you a hider or seeker, Sam?
I'm a hider, obviously.
Okay. Oh! No, 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 no. I made James.
Were you a workbench?
What? I'm not.
Were you a workbench?
I'm an anvil.
Well, you're on.
Nope.
Are you on top of a wooden plank?
No.
Are you moving?
No, and not anymore. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Because I think I see you. I'm near a bunch of bookshelves. I need at least one bookshelf to go on top of me, so I don't lose my cover. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
No seekers are near me. Not close at all. I only see one there.
I have a wooden sword to protect me. So
His name's Epic
there's
Craft.
lots of people here. I need to protect myself. Okay. Oh. Well, I know there's someone here.
Oh, I don't think you're near me then, because I heard 8 sound.
Okay. Sorry for the background noise, guys. If you can hear it. There's a renovation in my house.
Oh.
I am blocks of. I don't want to say that.
I wish there was.
Oh,
Sunday
wow.
made a poop mod,
Really?
and it's actually just an animation thing.
Holy crap.
It's not real.
Dude, there's someone in a boat, like near the boat.
I'm just chilling here. I mean, like I'm not in a place where a bookshelf is supposed to be, but yet I'm not killed.
Yeah, me too. I'm not killed. And I'm not supposed to be here, actually. This is such a bad place.
This floor is birch, I think, and I'm a wooden. I'm an oak.
Well, okay. Are you dying or?
No, I'm not dead yet. I still have full hearts. An anvil just ran past me.
I'm just like running around this boat, like no one is gonna see me, like, and later, next few seconds I'm gonna die. Okay, never mind, I'm gone.
5 seekers. Seekers these days suck.
Okay, 5 seekers, 100 seconds. Okay, let's make a deal. At the last 30 seconds, we have to like YOLO.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, seems fair. Invalid location to go solid. Nope, I am not being solid. Why is there someone staring at me?
If you realize you don't actually suffocate
Oh.
when you're if you're underwater, you don't suffocate.
Really?
Like yeah, like just When I played the town square map, I hide underwater. I think, if I'm not mistaken, before you could suffocate, but now no.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
benches past
an
that.
anvil.
I'm an anvil. I'm a bookshelf.
Are you serious? You're a bookshelf?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm serious. I'm a crafting table. I'm like trying to lie so no one can like shame me. Okay.
Maybe you are the one who passed by me just now.
Okay, so 34, 33, 32, 31. Okay, you have to
YOLO!
you have to always move. If you stop moving, you know, God will see you and you. Unfair. Okay? Oh my gosh, there's lots of fighters. I mean seekers. Woo! 17 seconds, come on! YOLO! So many hiders! No, dang it!
I'm approaching a boat. Okay. Seeker lost track of me.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh, 5 seekers are. Oh my gosh.
Oh crap.
Oh, yes!
Yay!
Yes! Yes!
GG.
Yes, we finished round 1. Oh my gosh.
The anvil.
Oh, wrong. So
I'm
I
not-
hope, yeah,
I'm-
guys, this is round 1. So we'll see you in round 2. Round 2. Woo! Hey guys,
Hello.
Nick here. Welcome back to another round of hide and seek or block hunt. Okay, so we're gonna choose the block.
I chose to be wooden stairs.
When we have a furnace block.
It's easy if you're wooden stairs because there's a lot of
Oh yeah, stairs. Crap. Oh, whatever.
This is my favorite place to hide.
This is I don't know even.
Oh no!
I think this is the
I'm glitched.
What?
Seeker! No! Get away from me!
I think this is the survival games map.
Yeah, this is a survival games map.
Oh. Well, crap.
It's are you
Are you dead?
wait, yeah, this is it says so when the game is starting, I mean when you vote for the map, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, until 6 or 7, I think.
For what? For what? The map.
Or
You can.
if you want to play in this map, you have to vote.
Oh.
The map who receives the most vote gets to choose a block, I think.
You get to choose the block.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay. I am not going there. This is so big. This map is so big.
Yeah, but there are some borders where you can't go. They added the block so you can jump out. Oh, balls. Some of these
This is
things.
such a big map. How do I get out of here? Oh wow.
Oi! Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, crap.
Oh crap for me. Sorry.
I'm gonna kill any furnace that comes to me. I'm preparing.
Sam, I am just going to stay over here. Nope, I'm not allowed to do that.
Furnace!
What?
I saw furnace.
Sam,
Oh my gosh, this furnace. You won't run from me.
Sam, what are you doing?
I'm chasing a furnace.
I don't see you. I think you're chasing the wrong furnace, bro.
Yeah, probably. You don't have any place to. Ah, okay, he escaped.
Well,
I thought he was not able to make that jump. But then he did. He's driving me in circles.
oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Okay, I found him again. You will die. Oh my god.
What are you doing? I see you.
Just like a wild goose chase.
Sam, I'm seeing you, you know? Like, oh my gosh, it's you. Like chasing a furnace. Why are you chasing a furnace?
Because I hate furnaces.
How do
I
you
don't know why, I just hate furnaces. They're like the
Why?
lamest block.
Really?
Because they're out of cobblestone. Now this guy's driving me in circles again.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I'm seeing like all the hiders here. I mean like, oh crap. Somebody spotted me.
I'm never gonna catch this guy.
What guy?
Okay, where'd he go? Where'd he go? I would be fortunate. Yes, I found someone. That guy is doomed. I'm behind a seeker named 007 Tom Tom. I found the furnace again!
Sam, I saw you. Oh my gosh.
Well, I would actually hate, I would hate sticky pistons because they're made of slime. And I hate slime.
No!
Yay!
Sam,
I
do you
was
know?
chasing you!
Sam, do you know actually that furnace was me?
Oh,
That
wow,
furnace was me.
Wow, dude.
Dang it! Oh my gosh. I was like running around. Oh my gosh, like I'm so OP. Like no one is touching me. Lol, lol. Then my sprint just like broke.
Yeah, sprint legs are the worst.
Bull. That's so bull, man. Like I've tried my best to do this, and like.
Ooh, you died. Ah, elders are elite. I'm going behind this thing.
Pig.
Furnaces and pistons like to hide here because it's all cobblestone.
Oh my gosh, they won. Oh my gosh. Okay then, GG. So this is round 2, guys. We will see you in the next round.
Which is the last round.
Yes, this is gonna be the last round. Round 3. Okay, peace.